In the digital age, video reigns supreme. It's engaging, it's shareable, and it has the power to connect people across the globe. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching tutorials, or enjoying a movie, video content is everywhere. It's the ultimate medium for communication, capable of conveying complex ideas and emotions in a matter of seconds. Businesses use it to market their products, educators use it to teach, and individuals use it to share their stories. But creating professional-looking videos can seem daunting, right? The process can be time-consuming, technically challenging, and often requires a steep learning curve. Many people feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of tools and techniques needed to produce high-quality videos. Fear not, because InVideo AI is here to revolutionize your video creation process. Imagine having a tool that simplifies every step, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills or experience. InVideo AI is a powerful online video editor that makes video creation a breeze, even if you're a complete beginner. With its user-friendly interface and intelligent features, you can create stunning videos without breaking a sweat. Imagine transforming your ideas into captivating videos with just a few clicks. Whether you have a clear vision or just a rough concept, InVideo AI helps you bring your ideas to life effortlessly. That's the power of InVideo AI. It takes the complexity out of video editing, allowing you to focus on your creativity and message. This intuitive platform offers a vast library of customizable templates, AI-powered features, and advanced editing options. You can choose from a wide range of templates designed for different purposes, from marketing videos to educational content and personal vlogs. With InVideo AI, you have access to advanced editing tools that allow you to add special effects, transitions, and animations to your videos. You can also use AI features to enhance your content, such as automated voiceovers, text-to-speech, and smart video resizing. Whether you're a business owner looking to create promotional videos, a marketer analyzing video performance data, an educator recording instructional videos, or simply someone who loves to share stories, InVideo AI has got you covered. InVideo AI empowers you to unleash your creativity and produce professional quality videos effortlessly. You can edit, customize, and share your videos with ease, making sure they look polished and professional every time. So are you ready to embark on your video creation journey with InVideo AI? Let's dive in and explore the endless possibilities that await you. With InVideo AI, creating stunning videos has never been easier or more fun. Join the revolution and start making your mark with video today. Getting started with InVideo AI is as easy as pie. Simply head over to the InVideo website and sign up for a free account. You'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface that's designed to make video creation a seamless experience. Once you're logged in, you can choose from a wide range of video formats including landscape, square, and portrait, perfect for any platform. Whether you're creating a YouTube video, an Instagram story, or a Facebook ad, InVideo AI has got you covered. Next, browse through the extensive library of professionally designed templates. These templates cover a wide range of themes and industries, from business and marketing to education and entertainment. Simply choose a template that aligns with your vision and start customizing. One of the most impressive features of InVideo AI is its AI-powered text-to-video capability. This revolutionary feature allows you to transform your written content into engaging videos in minutes. Simply paste your script or text into InVideo AI, and the AI engine will automatically analyze your content, suggest relevant visuals from its vast library, and even add background music to match the mood. It's like having a personal video editor at your fingertips. To make the most of this feature, ensure your text is clear, concise, and engaging. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break up your content and make it easier for the AI to process. Your vision, your way customizing templates. While InVideo AI's templates are impressive on their own, the real magic happens when you start customizing them to match your unique brand and message. Customization allows you to infuse your personality and style into the video, making it truly yours. The platform offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to personalize every aspect of your video. From the layout to the smallest details, you have the freedom to make changes that reflect your vision. Whether you want to adjust the timing of scenes, add special effects, or include your own voiceover, the possibilities are endless. You can easily swap out the default images and videos with your own media files or choose from InVideo AI's vast library of stock footage. This flexibility ensures that your video content is not only unique, but also relevant to your audience. The stock footage library is extensive, offering a variety of clips that can enhance your storytelling. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and animations to create a visual style that aligns with your brand identity. The right combination of these elements can make your video more engaging and memorable. You can also add transitions and effects to make your video flow smoothly from one scene to the next. Remember, the key to effective customization is to keep it consistent with your overall brand aesthetic. Consistency helps in building brand recognition and trust among your audience. Make sure that every element you add to your video, from the colors to the fonts, aligns with your brand guidelines. Use your brand colors, fonts, and imagery to create a cohesive look and feel throughout your video. This not only makes your video visually appealing, but also reinforces your brand identity. A well-customized video can leave a lasting impression on your viewers, making them more likely to remember your brand and message. Once you have customized your template, take the time to preview your video. Make sure everything looks perfect and aligns with your vision. This final step is crucial to ensure that your video is polished and professional. After finalizing your video, it's time to share it with the world. InVideo AI makes it easy to export your video in various formats suitable for different platforms. Whether you're sharing it on social media, your website, or through email, your customized video will stand out and make an impact. Customizing templates with InVideo AI not only saves you time, but also ensures that your videos are unique and tailored to your brand. The positive feedback you'll receive from your audience will be a testament to the power of customization. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and make your videos truly yours. Text with flair, adding animations and effects. Text animations and effects can add a touch of dynamism and visual interest to your videos, making them more engaging and memorable. By incorporating these elements, you can capture your audience's attention and keep them hooked throughout the entire video. Whether you're creating content for social media, educational purposes, or marketing campaigns, the right animations can make a significant difference. InVideo AI offers a wide array of text animations, from subtle fades and slides to more eye-catching effects like kinetic typography and glitch effects. These options allow you to customize your text to fit the tone and style of your video perfectly. For instance, kinetic typography can add a sense of urgency or excitement, while a simple fade can provide a more elegant and understated look. When adding text animations, it's important to use them strategically. Think about the message you want to convey and how the animation can enhance that message. Consider the pacing of your video and how the text animations can complement the visual and auditory elements. Strategic placement of text animations can guide your viewers' attention to the most critical parts of your content. Don't overdo it. Too many animations can be distracting and overwhelming for viewers. A cluttered screen can detract from the main message and leave your audience feeling confused. It's essential to strike a balance between adding visual interest and maintaining clarity. Less is often more when it comes to text animations. Instead, use animations to highlight key points, emphasize important information, or simply add a touch of visual flair to your videos. For example, you can use a bold animation to draw attention to a critical statistic or a key takeaway. Subtle effects can be used to maintain a professional look while still adding a bit of movement to keep things interesting. Experiment with different animation styles and timings to find what works best for your content and target audience. Don't be afraid to try out new effects and see how they resonate with your viewers. You might find that a particular style of animation works exceptionally well for your brand or the type of content you produce. Remember, the goal is to enhance your message, not overshadow it. The right text animations can make your videos more engaging and effective, but they should always serve to support the content rather than distract from it. By thoughtfully incorporating animations and effects, you can create videos that are not only visually appealing, but also impactful and memorable. A visual feast. Choosing the perfect stock footage. High-quality stock footage can elevate your videos, adding visual interest and emotional depth to your storytelling. InVideo AI offers a vast library of royalty-free stock footage and images, covering a wide range of themes and subjects. When choosing stock footage, it's crucial to select clips that are relevant to your message and resonate with your target audience. Avoid using generic or overused footage that might make your video look unprofessional or unoriginal. Instead, look for footage that evokes the right emotions, complements your narrative, and enhances the overall impact of your video. Remember, the right footage can make all the difference in capturing your audience's attention and leaving a lasting impression. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.